I am back in Germany. Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Düsseldorf, Germany. Today I am going to be getting some new clothes because I really need some new clothes bad. And I'm also going to be checking out the Christmas markets here in Düsseldorf because Germany has some of the most one-of-a-kind Christmas markets. So I'm definitely going to check that out while I'm here and see what else I can get into here in Düsseldorf, Germany. I am only here for 20 hours, so I better get started. When I left Germany about 2 weeks ago, I thought my currywurst obsession for this trip had come to an end. But no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh, no. 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 No, 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 no.
So I, of course, got the currywurst and fries, or pommes, with a squirt of mayonnaise. And I also got a German cola from Hamburg instead of Coca-Cola. So at first, I just go straight for the fries because it looks so good. They have them on top, so they obviously want you to eat the fries first. So good. How the mayonnaise just blends in with the fry is just unbelievable. Really good. If you don't like mayonnaise with fries, you're crazy because this is heaven. Now let's try the currywurst out. That is awesome. If you come to currywurst and if you come to Germany and you never had currywurst, did you even go to Germany? That's how good it is. Here you can see the Rhine Tower in the distance. I don't believe I'm going to be able to get to there today. Maybe tomorrow before I leave for Hamburg. But that is the Rhine Tower. I believe it's called the Rhine Tower because it is on the Rhine River, as well as it's the capital of the state of, I don't know, Germany. I don't know their geography. I don't know their states and what they're called, but whatever state Düsseldorf is in, it is the capital, and I guess that's why they have the Rhine Tower. I don't know. I'm gonna go on a limb and say that's why. I'm sure if another city in the state that Düsseldorf is in would have that tower if it was the capital. So, and Düsseldorf wouldn't have it. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know how it works here in Germany. If you're curious what the weather is like here in Düsseldorf, Germany, I traded nice, beautiful, warm Mediterranean weather for frigid, cold German weather. It is 41 degrees here, a very windy 41 degrees. It's right on the Rhine River, so it's a little tougher than if it was not a river city. It is a very cold 41 degrees. Ooh. But something I learned from Tony Florida, be sure to subscribe to his channel. As long as you keep moving, If you stay still, of course, you are going to stay cold. But if you keep moving, you won't be as cold. It's still gonna be cold. And if you're in Chicago, just hibernate until the spring, or in some cases, the summer. I passed by this statue earlier today, and I was trying to figure out if it's Snow White, because I believe Snow White is based in Germany. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that's a statue for Snow White, as the Little Mermaid has a statue in Copenhagen. She's kind of cute. Also, if you're curious, yes, Germany has some of the most beautiful women. Definitely. Okay, I just checked into my hostel. Now I'm going to head to the Christmas market. I do need to get some new clothes, so hopefully I can kill 2 birds with 1 German stone. Because it's a Christmas market, so they're selling stuff that ranges from food to clothes to ornaments to whatever. Just anything and everything. So, well, not everything. They're not gonna sell vacuum cleaners. Okay. And here is the Christmas market at Central Station here in Düsseldorf, Germany. Let's try to find another Christmas market, because that one isn't really that spectacular as some of them usually are, like in Berlin, Germany. They have a lot of good ones in Berlin. I'd expect more out of Central Station though in Dusseldorf, but okay, I'm going to switch to using my iPhone at night, because GoPro in low light situations like this is horrible. It cannot focus into these kind of signs, so it makes everything look stupid. So therefore GoPro is not the best low light camera. I would switch to my iPhone, because iPhone has a better low light quality. Okay, I found another Christmas market. They have an ice skating rink here at the Christmas market. I've never been ice skating before. I guess I'm just gonna switch between my GoPro and my iPhone. Let's go in here and warm up and have a beer. That sounds like a good idea.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Look at that. Good.
Cheers from Düsseldorf, Germany. This is a small beer, but oh well. This beer tastes amazing. Really, really good. I don't care that it's small. It tastes good. Big things come in small packages, so let's finish this beer. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and call it a night from here in Düsseldorf, Germany. Tomorrow, I have an 11 a.m. train to Hamburg, Germany. Yes, I don't think I've mentioned this in any other vlogs, but I am returning to Hamburg, Germany for Trash Boat. They are one of my favorite bands, so I cannot wait to see them again. Wednesday, not tomorrow, but Wednesday, I will be seeing Trash Boat, as well as it is, Holding Absence, and Courage My Love. So it's going to be a really, really good show. I love all those bands. So, good night from Düsseldorf, Germany.